person who brings good atmosphere with them is welcome everywhere. That's why one of the most important things when meeting new people is positive energy. When you start a conversation with someone and when the other person feels your positivity right away, they will instantly feel good in your company and will develop sympathy for you. So don't wait for others to smile at you. Take the initiative and smile at them first. Don't expect others to be excited to see you. You be excited to meet them. It doesn't even matter if you're meeting them for the first time. Enter a conversation with positivity and enthusiasm. To put it simply, act as if you are already friends. Maybe you're wondering, well, isn't that fake? How can you be happy to see someone that you don't even know? Sometimes you just feel it. But if you don't worry, there is a little trick. Before you start talking to someone, find something about this person that you like or that you have in common. Maybe this person is dressed well, maybe you like their hair, or maybe they generally seem cool. And that thing doesn't even have to be anything visible. You can make an assumption. He's probably a funny guy. Or, she must be great at what she does. This little thought can help you more than you can imagine. First of all, you'll be more excited about getting to know this person as well as more relaxed and spontaneous. And second of all, your conversation partner will feel very comfortable in your company without even knowing why. And that is because regardless if we want it or not, our body language radiates our thoughts. Even if it's just a small, subtle gesture, it is unavoidable. And if you attune yourself positively towards this person, your body will subconsciously show that, and the other person will definitely feel that. Maybe they will even have a feeling that they have known you for a long time, just like it sometimes happens. So before you start a conversation with a stranger, have a positive thought about them first. Treat the person as if you're already friends and you're going to be friends before you even know it. By the way, this video is a part of my video course, Networking for Introverts. This course can help you get better at meeting new people, get better in social situations, and also develop soft skills and charisma, even if you're shy or an introvert. It's available both in English and in German, and you can find it under the link in the description down below. Other than that, thank you for your time, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.